Hello silly bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. Today we're talking egg bites and we are making a roasted pepper and goat cheese egg bite. I actually made this recipe a couple years ago and it's on my blog, but I decided to add an extra ingredient to make it even more high protein and also creamier, and that is adding cottage cheese. We're going to blend the ingredients together so you don't have to worry about the texture of cottage cheese. Is going to be a very smooth and creamy mixture. Let's talk about roasted peppers. I love jarred roasted peppers. They are already roasted, they are peeled, they are seeded, and it is a really incredible versatile ingredient. You can use it in pasta, you can use it in salads, you can use it in egg dishes, and that's what I'm doing today. So before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share our videos. It really does help our channel grow. So let's learn how to make these really easy and delicious roasted pepper goat cheese egg bites. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And you want to line your muffin tin with 12 silicone liners, or you can just grease them. Let's go over the ingredients for this recipe. You will need good quality roasted peppers, and I finely chopped them to equal 1 cup. We will need a 1/4 cup of goat cheese, 8 large eggs, 2/3 of a cup of cottage cheese, 1/3 of a cup of Parmigiano, 1/3 of a cup of chopped parsley. We will need 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. So the best way to make egg bites, I feel, is to distribute your ingredients into your muffin liners first. So I'm going to evenly distribute my chopped peppers into the 12 muffin liners. And now I'm going to evenly distribute my parsley. You could also use basil instead of the parsley, or a combination of the two. And evenly distribute my goat cheese. You could also use feta cheese instead of the goat cheese, or you can also just increase the Parmigiano in the recipe to 1/2 cup. And now let's make our egg cottage cheese mixture. So in my NutriBullet, I'm going to add my 8 large eggs, my cottage cheese, my Parmigiano, and my garlic powder, salt, and pepper. I'm going to add my lid. And I'm going to blend this on high for about 1 minute until it's nice and smooth. Then I'm going to pour the mixture into each of my liners, and we're going to go about 3/4 of the way up each liner. So let's bake 350 for about 20 to 22 minutes until they are set and golden. I like to remove them from my silicone liners after 5 minutes of cooling. You can enjoy these warm, you can enjoy these cold. They're perfect for meal prep. Enjoy our roasted pepper, goat cheese, cottage cheese egg bites. They're so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try these roasted pepper and goat cheese egg bites, let me know in the comments below. Also, the ingredients and measurements are in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy baking.